Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. Now we'll see the last problem from exercise 8.2. State whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. So, along with writing whether they are true or false, you need to justify your answer also. So you need to give the reason why it is true or false. So the first problem goes like this. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. Let us see whether the following statement is true or false. So now let us take a value is some 30 degree and b value is 60 degree. Then substitute in the given statement 30 plus 60 a plus b sine 90 is equal to sine 30 plus sine 60. Sine 90 is 1 and then sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 plus 1 by 2 which is not equal to 1. So the given statement is false. You can take any other value and prove that these two are not equal. So sine of a plus b is definitely not equal to sine a plus sine b. So this is the proof for that. And the second problem here is sine theta value increases as theta increases. So we'll see whether it is true or not. So we'll write the table as theta value 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90 degree. Then sine theta value will be 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So see here, as theta value is increasing from 0 to 90 degree, sine theta value is also increasing from 0 to 1. So the given statement is true. Remember, as theta value increases, sine theta value also increases, right? Next, the third statement is here. As theta increases, cos theta increases. They're asking whether the statement is true or false. As theta increases, cos theta increases. We'll write down the table for cos theta for different values. Sin theta values we are writing, and for cos theta you have to write it in the reverse way. 1, root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So as theta value is increasing from 0 to 90 degree, cos theta value is decreasing from 0 to 1 to 0. It is decreasing. The value is keep on decreasing starting from 1 to 0. So it is in the opposite way. So as theta value increases, cos theta value is decreasing. It's not increasing. So it is, the given statement is false here. Then the fourth statement says like this. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So let us check these values. When theta is equal to 0 degree, sin theta is 0 and cos theta is 1. So it is not the same value. Only at 45 degrees, if you see the picture here, only at 45 degrees sin theta and cos theta values are equal. For other than 45 degree, the value is different. So the given statement is false. Observe the table. If theta is 0 degree, sin theta is 0, cos theta is 1. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So it is keep on varying. So that is, these three statements are important here. As theta value increases, sin theta increases, cos theta decreases, and sin theta value will be equal to cos theta only when theta is equal to 45 degrees. Then fifth statement, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. We'll see whether it is true or not. So cot A, when A is equal to 0 degree means cot 0 degree they are asking. That is nothing but 1 by tan 0 degree. Tan means sine by cos. So cot is cos by sine. Cos 0 degree divided by sine 0 degree. So that is cos 0 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. So 1 by 0, anything divided by 0 is undefined or infinity or undefined. So the given statement is true. I'll give a quick revision on this. The first statement is sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. To prove this statement, select a is equal to 30 degree and b is equal to 60 degree. So if you substitute these two values in the given statement, a plus b is 90, sine 90 I am writing it as 1, sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. So these two values are not equal here. Similarly, I am repeating for the last second, third and fourth problems together. As theta value increases, sine theta increases. As theta value increases, cos theta decreases. And sine theta value is equal to cos theta only when theta is equal to 45 degrees. Then the last one, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. True, cot is nothing but cos by sine. See here, this is 1 by 0 which is not defined. So the last statement here it is true. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.